所以種到呢個榴蓮呢種水果。
This makes it feel like we're in Disneyland。
州度設製有一個虎牙叫做太平虎。
Oh my gosh, this cartoon is so cute。今次係我第一次食田蛙。Good morning, everyone. It is 8:05 a.m. and we're having our breakfast. I'm gonna try something different today. And this is my first round of breakfast. And my mom got me this bowl of fun.
山竹比較多因為靠近越南啊嘛。其實咧，我哋靠近越南，跟越南嘅天氣氣候係一樣嘅。越南嘅北部山區屬於跟我哋廣西一樣嘅代所以種到呢個榴蓮呢種水果所以嚟到呢邊呢，好多團友會覺得可能水果會比較多，特別係越南嘅水果比較多其實呢都比較少咁我哋廣西呢水果係比較多咧，所以嚟到呢邊我哋靠近嘅係越南嘅北部山區。咁依家行嘅呢條高速就屬於係叫做南油高速。
And we have arrived at 峒那嶼灣。This is a place called 峒村。原來呢個景點叫廣西大新黑水河國家濕地公園。呢棵樹幾靚，有好多牛角喺度。We're gonna get on a boat like this. These smokes makes it feel like we're in Disneyland. 这个就是婆王吊橋，呢個係四面亭嘅島仔。我們現在就在這個島那城樓。Just took a photo at this spot. We'll keep walking along here. This is called the Squirrel Corridor. And we are now going to this 12 Guangxi Bridge. 原來呢啲植物叫做大芭蕉林。呢個就係大芭蕉林嘅最面啦。This place is the floriculture field. There is a beautiful swing here. I'm gonna take a photo here. 同佢哋一齊影。幫佢影一張。好，走啦。 ภาษากุนถึงมาเท่านะ I think we're almost at the end ทำไมอย่างนี้ก็ไม่ดีให้มองหาย้ายไปสื่อถิ่นให้ตึก We came down to this reservoir and this is the very end of this little island We are back at this little house Whilst we are waiting for the bus, we found this little photo taking spot. We are leaving this pink piano. And this is our restaurant. Na Mei Shan She. 應該係青瓜幾字湯。應該係勝瓜。有雞有炒出嚟嘅野菜包肉
發香果排骨
有南瓜青竹標茄生菜同埋橙
炒靚
左江右江係對啦，咁西南邊境嘅崇左呢邊就係左江。如果白色市方向南寧對白色市嘅右手邊方向呢條江咧叫做右江我哋廣西有左江有右江所以呢條左江穿城而過崇州崇州就攝製有一個府衙叫做太平府咁我哋嘅古城仲叫咩咧？太平古城
Guangxi Nationalities Theater. It is right opposite this 亭子碼頭 Whoa, this looks like a church. It even has a Santa Claus. But our tour guide just told us the whole of Nanning does not have any church. There's a beer festival going on here. This is the front of the Guangxi Nationalities. Oh my gosh, this cartoon is so cute. It is on this mini coal shop's window. This spot is even cuter. 有一個 Santa Claus，呢個係亭子碼頭嘅一啲建築。And there's an arcade at the end of this pier, just like Brighton here. And there's even a fake Eiffel Tower here. And there's a Mickey Mouse place. And this is the very, very end. And this is the bridge of the 亭子碼頭. And we've come back to this little outside建築. And there's some food stalls here. Just as the police and he told me this blue crown is an office, so we cannot go in. And you can actually go underneath these arcs and you can take photos here. This one is okay, but I don't know why my sister went. This is the Shanchuan gate, and we are back at our meeting point. It's 5:26 p.m.
酒店一樣有一個死角嘅，咁商場嘅4樓仲有好多嘅餐廳、環境各方面就會人比較多啲熱鬧啲。
HolidayInn Express. And our room number is 2822. And this is our 2 single beds. This room is bigger than yesterday's room, and there is a view here as well. We can see the river, and then there is a television here, and this is a toilet, but it is smaller than the one yesterday. And this is the sink for you to wash your hands. And tonight we actually have to find our own restaurant, so it is now 5:55, so we'll go out a little later on. We have walked over to Guangxi, and on the right hand side there's a bread shop. Want to come in to have a look. This biscuit is quite creative. We are gonna buy one chocolate roll and one chocolate cream toast. Also got this baked cheese bread. So our tour guide recommended us to eat in this Hui Xiao Chu. So we took a ticket, and we need to wait for around 30 minutes. So whilst waiting for the table, I walked around this shopping mall. And our theater has a round Wow festival. And this Wow festival stand, they have a festival Since my dad broke my DJI, we went to the DJI store to check out the newest model.
你看，
挺好
这个夜景
的，飞过去桥那里吗？
飞到桥那边的话可能有点远哦。
我见到这个。I never noticed Huawei has car. On our way back to the hotel. Yeah, we are back at the hotel. Alright guys, it is now 12 a.m. and I basically just edited for 2 hours, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with day 4, which is the last day of this series. Bye!